Hey guys, welcome back to another video's unboxing of my fidget spinner unboxing. So let us know how my fidget spinners are. Check this out. Chipent, the Bluetooth one. Check this out. Jimmuki kam. Fidget cube. Spider-Man one. LED one, which can light over right here. Like it's lightning start. So much of them. They are like thousands of them. 3-hand, as well as I showed you in my previous video. So much of them. If we just roll it off, we'll get like a 6-wheel jet, and most of them. You'll see like this, and this, the LED ones. So I will show you. I'll take and spin. So continuation. This is a 6-wheel jet, shining one. Okay, bye. To get inside, man. Hey, you feel the big. Now, like the LED ones, the gold-plated, the mic ones. Let me show you the mic.